Okay, Stanislav, I'm gonna wait another year, maybe 2 years. My kids are small, I have no rush. Maybe I have the OPT, STEM OPT, maybe H1 visa. I don't need to start my process right now for the green card or other because there's no rush. Guys, today I will explain why thinking like this may cost you a lot more money, a lot more stress and nerves, and maybe even stop you from coming to the US at all. Today I will give you 4 biggest mistakes as patterns, how you guys think, and explain each one of them. Also today you will learn how to get a free evaluation of your case. Let's go! Hello my dear friends, I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. For many years, I've been helping my clients to get things done, and guys, from my almost 11 years of experience, I've seen so many cases did not start when they were supposed to, and then there were a lot more trouble and sometimes even absence of the opportunity to get to the final result. Okay, so reason number 1, the shift in the politics of the United States of America. And we don't have to speculate on these, guys. We have exactly 2 big changes that already affected millions and millions and millions of people. Those are 2 executive orders banning 39 countries from coming to the US whatsoever. Doesn't matter, immigrant, non-immigrant, you cannot get no visa if you're from those 39 countries. The second one affects 75 countries, other countries, right? Which are not a part of the 39. A lot more than 100 countries affected, and the citizens of 75 countries cannot get the immigrant visas. But this is a big hurdle to get to the US if you cannot get the green card through the embassy. Okay, so what else can happen? They can change the countries, they can expand the list of the countries based on whatever they think is right or wrong. And you guys know that the Trump administration is unpredictable. So they can stop some countries not only getting certain type of visas, but even filing the immigrant petitions. So the shift in the policies is reason number 1 why you do not want to wait if everything is good with your country. The reason number 2, a big reform in H1B visa, which is wage level system, where basically instead of pure lottery and maybe in some circumstances based on the selection based on the degree or type of profession, now we get the salary auction. Okay, the higher your salary is, the better chances of you being selected. The lower the salary is, the less chances. The difference could be X4. Okay, X4 difference between level 1 and level 4 of the wages. And historically, H1B visa was for young professionals in the field. So those professionals who are in the beginning of their career, of course, would get a lower wage. This is the nature of the things. So you guys suddenly got your chances X4 less than it was yesterday. Okay, and it's a part of the policy shift, but there is a real example that affects a particular visa. Reason number 3, the rising cost and uncertainty for the Visa Bulletin. Let's start with the Visa Bulletin and priority date. You don't know how many petitions your country files, and maybe your country exceeds the limit on that, or maybe a lot more people get approval, and then there's a backlog, and maybe then there's a problem with the kids, or there's just a long wait time, and things like that. Look at India and China. Guys, you don't have to go too far. Look at India, China in Visa Bulletin. And also Philippines and Mexico also have extra attention in those charts and tables, because historically that's where the people are filing the most and get those green cards. But your country could be next, and you could be subject to big backlogs and also the cost associated with it. Okay, the government fee is rising, the cost of attorney's fees is rising, the participation in ecosystem to improve your cases are rising. So it never gets cheaper to come to the US. And before I give you the last reason, guys, and I think this is one of the most important, get the free evaluation right now. The link for free evaluation of your case is below this video. Click on it, fill out the questionnaire, send it to me. Within 2 days, I'll get back to you with free analysis and let you know which visas are the best for you, how fast we can do this, which criteria are good, which we can help you to improve, the grade of your case. Look for the word potential. If you see the word potential, that means you have a green light to come to the US or change your status working with my team under my control. Do the free evaluation right now, know your future within 2 days. And the last mistake, guys, very important. The upcoming reform for O1, EB1A and EB2 NIW visas, the most popular visas that help you to immigrate to the US without employer or without formal employer, okay? So this reform is coming at us really, really fast. We don't yet have the text of the new laws. But guys, when I hear the reform from the government and they call it modernization, so I translate from English to English. Modernization of talent visas means that it's going to be harder, longer, more expensive. Never been differently, okay? Never been differently. And I know that if the past is not indicative of the future, but the past is all we have, okay? So this upcoming modernization is going to bring a lot of big changes and a big chilling effect on all type of talents. So these 4 reasons, big, for you guys to start acting right now. Let me know in the comment section what holds you back from starting your immigration process. And don't tell me, guys, I don't make enough money. That I cannot help, because this is in your hands. This is on your part, right? If you want, you'll get the finance of your cases. If you have money and cases, which you're gonna learn after the free evaluation, let me know what holds you back. Let me know. Guys, immigration to the US is not Russian roulette anymore, which it used to be. Now it's a matter of the strategy and, most importantly, acting in time. Okay? When you have the access to benefit, use it. Okay? So smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.